Hello, welcome to IZI channel. In this video, I will show you how to create analysis with Excel as the data source. From the main menu, click on the IZI Analytic Dashboard module. Click on Data Source, click Tables. Click Create. And then, fill in the name of the table. Choose v2.0 as the data source. Check the Stored box. As you can see, there are some tabs appear. Click on the Attachments tab. Click Add a line. Click Upload your file button, and then choose your Excel file to be uploaded. After that, you need to click on the Fields tab. Fill in the fields that we want to pull from the Excel. For example, I want to get the date and currency fields. If you're done, click on the Update Schema button. And then, click on the Python Code tab. Fill in the code. As you can see, we have provide function to get the data from the Excel. The function is IZI Read Attachment. We also need to copy the name of the Excel file. The last thing is we need to put IZI Query Insert function at the end of the code like this. If you're done, click on Save. To check the table, click on Sample Data. You will see there is notification that tell us that the table looks fine, but there are no data on the table. To get the data, click on Run Manually button. Click on Sample Data again. It shows that we already get the data from the Excel. Now we're done creating the table. Click on the Analytic Dashboard. Click Plus button. Click Add Analysis. Click New Analysis. Fill in the name of the analysis. Choose the v2.0 as the data source. Choose the marked table as the method. Choose the table that we already created before. Choose the date field. Click on Visualize. Now, I will set the currency as the metric, and I will set the date as the dimension. And then click on Visual button. You can choose any type of visualization that match your data. For now, I choose Trend. Now, we can go back to the dashboard. As you can see, we already create the analysis, but I want to put the analysis on top of my dashboard. Now we're done creating the analysis from Excel as the data source. Go try it out on our website demo.iziapp.id. Thank you and have a nice day.